This is Richa. Welcome to School Quiz. Today we are going to do the topic Find Rational Numbers. So let us start with the heading Rational Numbers. What are rational numbers? We have studied about it in the last class, but we are just revising the concept now. So rational numbers can be the numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where there is a one condition that Q cannot be equals to 0. For example, say minus 4 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, 1 upon 4, right? But if you see, Q is not equals to 0, and that's the only condition we have. Now, we have also already learned that the difference between fractions and rational numbers. Rational numbers consist the numbers from minus infinity to infinity, but fractions are only numbers with positive integers. Okay, fractions only consist of positive integers. So this is the basic difference between rational numbers and fractions. So today we are focusing on rational numbers only. So you know that you cannot say all rational numbers are fractions, but we can say that all fractions are rational numbers. So let's move on to the concept now. The basic formula to find any rational number between two numbers is a plus b and this whole divided by 2. Now we have a question, what is a and a b? So if we are finding the two rational numbers between 1 and 2, see, here clearly we cannot see any number between 1 and 2, but there are infinite numbers between it. So this 1 is A here and this 2 is B here. Now we will find A between rational numbers between A and B together. So let's solve some questions and then we will understand what it is all about. So we have to find, first question, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 7 and 8. So let's start. Here A will be 7 and B will be 8. So let's start with the first rational number. First rational number. It will be A plus B upon 2. So 7 plus 8 by 2, which is 15 upon 2. So now how we will write it? Therefore, 7, 15 by 2 and then 8, because 15 by 2 lies between 7 and 8. Now, second number. Second rational number. Now, if you see clearly, we have three numbers here, right? The first we find and the 2 given. So I can take any pair I want here, whatever pair I want, like 7 and 15 upon 2 or 15 by 2 or 8. Any pair I can take. So I am taking 7 and 15 upon 2. So now A is 7 and B is 15 by 2. Let's solve it. So 7 plus 15 by 2 whole divided by 2. Don't forget this part. So now take the LCM. 14 plus 15 upon 2. If I take LCM of 1 and 2, do you know this? If the number is not having any denominator, we consider it as 1. So here Q is equals to 1. So 14 plus 15 upon 2 multiply by half, reciprocal of this 2. Now 29 by 2 multiply by half, this will be 29 by 4. So now I can write numbers as 7, 29 by 4, 15 by 2, and then 8. So we find two rational numbers here. Next, third rational number. Again, A plus B upon 2. Here, and now I am going to take this pair, 29 and 50. You can take any pair you want, okay? So all the answers are correct here. So 29 by 4 and B is 15 by 2. So 29 by 4 plus 15 by 2 whole divided by 2. So 4 and 2 LCM will be 4. So 29 by 4 plus 30 by 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. It will be 59 by 4 multiplied by half. That will be 59 upon 8. So my rational numbers now, 3 rational numbers will be 7, 29 by 15, 29 by 4, sorry, then 59 by 8, then 15 upon 2, and then 8. Yes, now whatever two pairs you can take, which number I should take? Let's take 15 upon 2 and 8. So now 4. This A and B is equals to 8 and A is equals to 15 upon 2. Let's calculate 15 upon 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Now 15 upon 2, 8 and 1, 2 and 1 LCM is 2. So 8 to the 16, 2 here. I hope you know how to find the addition and subtraction problems in rational numbers. We have studied this in 7th and 8th standard. So 15 plus 16 is 31 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2. It will be 31 by 4. So now my 4 numbers counting will be 7, 29 by 4, 59 by 8, 15 by 2, 31 by 4, and then, so we have find the 4 numbers now. And now we can take any number we want. Let's go with 15 and 31. So 15 by 2 is A and B is 31 by 4. So fifth rational number, it will be 15 upon 2 plus 31 upon 4 divided by 2. So now 2 and 4 LCM will be 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 15 to 2 is 30 by 2 plus 31 by, 30 by 4 plus 31 by 4 multiplied by half. It will be 61 by 4 multiplied 1 upon 2, which will be 61 by 8. So now we have find 5 rational numbers and the answer will be 7. I have to see 29 by 4, 59 by 8, 15 by 2, 61 by 8, 31 by 4, and then 8. So let's count. Have we found the correct numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hope it is clear. So the next question we have, find 4 rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. It will be the same format only. Okay, no such difference. But now here A will be 1 upon 2 and B will be 3 upon 4. So the difference of doing the question will be the rational number only. This is in the P upon Q format already, and it was not in the P upon Q format. It was only the number. So it can be done as 7 upon 1, 8 upon 1, but we had the number 7 and 8 only. Okay, so the calculation here, the calculation will start like this only. A plus B divided by 2. Try it on, and if you have any problem, you can ask in the comment section. Let's move on to the next segment. So we have a bonus point to consider here. What I do when I have to give some answers in the MCQ, or we can say fill-ups, where I do not need to show how I calculated the answers. So this is a very quick bonus point, I would say. So let's consider one question. Find 10 rational numbers between 4 and 5. Okay, so a lot of numbers here. So 10 rational numbers between 4 and 5. If your school teacher allows this, you can surely follow this, but I will suggest to ask first. Now, if you have to find 10 rational numbers between 4 and 5, so this a plus b upon 2 formula will take a lot of time, right? So what I will suggest you to do is take 4 upon 1. We have to find 10 rational numbers here. So what I will do, I will multiply the numbers with 11, right? So it will be 44 upon 11. Now the second number is 5. So I will multiply it with again 11 plus 1, 10 plus 1. So 11, it will be 55 upon 11. Now, if we see between 44 upon 11 and 55 upon 11, let's see how many rational numbers we can say. 45 upon 11, 46 upon 11, 47 upon 11, 48 upon 11, 49 upon 11, 50 upon 11, 51 upon 11, 52 upon 11, 53 upon 11, and 54 upon 11. So let's count whether we have 10 rational numbers or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you can follow this tip if you have to give the answers in fill-ups, or if your school allows the users to solve the questions like this. Might just suggest this also. So second question also, we can solve it in some easy way. Find 19 rational numbers between half and 3 upon 8. So half and 3 upon 8, let's do it. So what I will do, 19 rational numbers you have to find. So one is 20. Okay. So half multiply by 20 and 20, which will be 20 upon 40. And here 3 upon 8. So 20 and 20 multiply, it will be 60 upon 160. Right. What you can do here is you can take the LCM of 2 and 8. You can make it a fraction with equal denominators, then we can solve it. Or you can now make this smaller number to 160. So I have to multiply it by 4 only. If you see, so 2 4s are 80 upon 160. So 60 upon 160 and 80 upon 160. We can find 20 rational numbers within them. Yes. So let's start. 61 upon 160, 62 upon 160, 63 upon 160, 64 upon 160, 65 upon 160, 66 upon 160, 67 upon 160, 68 upon 160, 69 upon 160, 70 upon 160, 71 upon 160, 72 upon 160, 73 upon 160, 74 upon 160, 75 upon 160, 76 upon 160, 77 upon 160, 78 upon 160, 79 upon 160. Let's count whether we have the correct answer or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and correct. I hope you find it easy and you have understood the concept to find the rational numbers. You can find such questions in the first exercise of the first chapter only. And please solve the question. Let us know whether you have understood the concept or not. Thank you all for watching this and be there. Thank you.